Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT J5, and today I will show you how to transfer photos, video, or any kind of other file from SD card to phone and vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the Files app, which should be somewhere in your app drawer, and it's right here, Files. Just tap on it. And from here, once it loads up, on the bottom you should see storage devices. And if you have a SD card like you should at the moment for at least this purpose, you should see two of them. One will be the internal storage of the device and then the SD card. Now also, if there's nothing here, you will need to go back up here, and where the three dots are, you can tap, and where I see hide storage devices, you should see in this case show storage devices. So once you have them, you can then navigate to whatever you want to move. So assuming we're moving photos or kind of video that you have taken with the phone, they will be usually located in the internal storage under DCIM. Now DCIM is usually or almost exclusively the place where camera saves photos, video that you have taken with the device. So if I tap on here, I'll have just one file that I have taken a photo as an example, so I have something to move. So to select it, you can either hold it and select the image itself. Now if you want to move a couple of them, specific ones, and you have more than what you want to move, you can then select each one of them by just tapping on it, like so. Or you can go back if you want to move the entire folder, and for instance just select the entire folder like so, and from here tap on three dots, and you have two options. You can either copy it or move it. Now for this purpose I'm just gonna move it. So by moving, it will be removed from the internal storage and moved to the external, so the SD card. And from here you want to actually select the SD card. So let's tap here, and as you can see, I don't have the DCIM folder here, so either I could create one, or actually I could also do something else. If I don't have that folder, like you can see, I could just select the entire DCIM folder on the internal storage and move that. You can just tap on move the SD card and move here and allow. You'll get a little progress, and then if you go back, as we previously seen, there was nothing here, and now there should be the DCIM folder, and if I go in here, there should be that one photo. As you can see, that's basically how you would do it. Now the same process works for basically any kind of other file. As long as you can see whatever you want to copy, you can move it or copy it, and that's how you basically do it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.